Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to get geometrical and sectional property using Salome meca. This is actually analytical value. Now we'll see how to get the value from Salome meca. Now just go to Salome meca, geometry. First I will create a simple geometry by using this data. Go to new entity, basic, 2D sketch, rectangle. Here the value is 0.1 and 0.2. 0.1 and this one is 0.2. Just apply and close. This is my sketch. Now I build the face to this sketch. Yes. Now I have generated the face. Now we'll check the value one by one. Now select this face, go to inspection. The first one is called basic properties. Coordinates we can check. The first one is basic properties. Here we can check length and surface area. As we know, this is 0.1 and this is 0.2. By multiplying this, we'll get the area. This is the surface area of the geometry. This is actually a simple geometry. We can directly calculate. If you have a complex geometry, for that to get the surface area, we can use this options. Then close it. Now go to inspection. Then next one is center of mass. Similarly, this is a simple geometry. The center of mass or center of the area occur at the center of the surface. Here is 0.1 total length, so it will 0.05. Here it comes mid. So center of area is where it vertex is showing here. Now just close it. Similarly, just go for inertia. So we can calculate area moment of inertia using, or we can get the area moment of inertia from Salome meca itself. So I have selected this face. For this particular face, it will calculate Ixx. 1:1 is nothing but Ixx. 2:2 is nothing but Iyy, and 3:3 nothing but Izz. So Ixx is 6.66 into 10 power minus 5. Iyy is 1.66 into 10 power minus 5, and Izz is 8.33 into 10 power minus 5. So now we can check the value from the analytical calculation. So as we have seen, so Ixx is 6. This value, and Iyy is 1.66 into 10 power e power minus 5, and Izz is 8.33 into 10 power minus 5. This is a way we can get the value from the Salome meca. Similarly, for circle also we can check. So just go to new entity, basic, circle, point. I just want to create an XY plane, means just choose normal to the vector is YZ. Here I am just giving 0.1 because I have calculated per 0.1. Just apply and close. Now we'll build the face to this. Select the circle, new entity, build, face, apply and close. Now I have built the face. Now we can select this face too and go to inspection, inertia. Now we can check the value with this. Now Ixx and Iyy both are same value of 7.8 into e power minus 5. Here we can see it. And Izz is adding of these two value is 0.000157. So this is the way we can get the moment of inertia or area moment of inertia for geometry. Similarly, we can get volume also. For example, I have a rectangular face, so I will convert this face into volume by using extrude option. So this is my volume. Now we can choose this extrusion, go to inspection. Now we just go for basic property. Previously we have seen surface. This is a volume object. The volume of this object is 0.004. Similarly, we can go for inertia also, mass moment of inertia. So we can get the mass moment Ixx, Iyy and Izz. and just go to inspection again, center of mass also. So to view the center of mass, because center of mass is secured at center of the object, to view this value, display mode, make it as wireframe mode. Now just choose the extrusion, inspection. Now just go to center of mass. Now you see the vertex is generating at the center of the volume. So this is a way we can get geometrical and sectional property from Salome meca. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.